I don't get it when people be like, I can't be Delulu, that's so fake. You've been Delulu your whole life. That is the most real thing. But you never go to bed by thinking like I'm not gonna wake up next day. Every single day you go to sleep believing that you are gonna wake up next day, you're going to chase your dream. Then why you can't believe that good things can happen to you? You know the reason why sometimes we fail in life? It is not because you are not putting effort, it is not because you are not doing the hard work, it is just because we don't believe in ourselves. We think that we don't deserve of good things, we think that whatever we want to achieve, that is too big. Too big for who? For God? You think that God cannot give you that big thing? The creator of this whole world cannot provide you that little thing? See, the universe does not understand the language of words. The universe understands the language of frequencies. The universe talk in frequency. So if your vibration is always low and you are always putting out there that I'm not lucky, things don't work for me, I don't get everything I ever wanted, well, that's exactly what's gonna happen to you. You are not going to get anywhere. And now people are gonna be like, oh, frequencies, manifestation, this sounds so fake and bookish and trendy. It's just a trend. No, it's not. I mean, think about it. How is this possible that the rich people always get rich and people who are happy always find a reason to be more happy? Things are always working for them. And there are people out there praying to survive every single day and nothing is changing for them. See, the reason why rich always get richer and things always work out for some people, it is just because deep down they believe that they are lucky enough. Think they never start something with the thought that, oh, I'm probably gonna fail in this. No, they never do that. They move through life believing that they are lucky. They move through life believing that things are gonna work for them. And that's exactly what happens to them. See, everything seems fake until it's done. But think about it, every single thing, every new invention is always start with that single thought. First you got that idea and that idea turns into imagination and your imagination turns into reality. The big home, the big car that you want that already exists. And if it exists, you can have it. So why do you believe that good things cannot happen to you? And I'm so sorry if anyone in your life made you feel that you don't deserve of good things. You do deserve of good things and you will have all those things that you ever wanted, that you ever prayed for. And if there are people out there who is saying that, oh, you are being too delulu, you have to be realistic, you have to think logically, things doesn't go like that. Maybe that's a reality for them, but for me, it's not. Because this is my life. That is their mindset, that is their belief system. But for me, things do work out. And things work out in the best way possible. This is my life, and I refuse to think like that. I refuse to adopt the scarcity mindset that, oh, you cannot have everything. Why not? So last day I had a conversation with my friend. You know what, Chas? I wake up so happy. I wake up so happy. I wake up like I'm gonna conquer this world and this world revolves around me and I'm the most powerful thing. And he was so happy and I was like, wow, this is the kind of energy I need. And you know what he said next? He was like, you know what, Chas? I know that by the end of the day, something crazy is gonna happen to me that might ruin my day. Why I'm thinking about that one thing and ruining my day by myself? And I was like, crazy, isn't that true? Life is all about ups and downs. If you have ever feel like, oh, I cannot be Delulu because what if I fail? You will fail. That's the reality. But if you just accept that failure is just a part of your success, you are just one step closer to become more wiser. And once you accept that failures, embarrassing moments, tough phases, all are just a part of your life, all are just a part of that journey. So yeah, the moral of the story is sometimes being Delulu is the only Solulu.